Level 2. Huh? Where's your headquarters? Hey, stop being so mean. Spawn. Pink car. Huh? Great. Take that, bozo!
Retreat! Repair!
Okay. Done.
Yes! For help!
Damn, we need to steal their repair technology in later missions. Car, I'll give you a backup. Let's rock and roll. I'll teach you a lesson now to mess with us. Huh? Don't reduce. No.
I'll repair you!
Huh?
That thing can repair
The towers as well?
no!
No, stop!
Stop! See ya!
What? No! My defender! Alright?
Huge!
Alright?
Huge! Hey, don't hurt my friend! Stop! Now let's go get that headquarter.
Yeah. No, I'm under attack.
Haha, take this!
No,
Don't hurt
my grandfather.
Help!
Let me finish him, alright? Ooh.
Pink car.
Alright. Gotta retreat.
See ya.
Great. Our attack is so bad. Yeah, let me repair you. Good. Now I'm ready to fight back. Construct a replacement. Yes. Guys, what is it? That's not looking good. Oh crap, they're getting back up. No worries, I can get a new pin card. Right on. Oh. Right on track. Demolish them. Yes. Yes, sir. Oh crap, we're under attack. What use? What use? Take this. Eat my rockets. Thank you. Now you.
Someone send help.
Alright, use. Go to hell. Here comes Johnny. Oh? Right? No. Hey. Oh? Ramming. Thank you very much, Repair. Rocket truck. Huh? Oh, blue car. Yes, it's me. Pink car, take care of that Barrack. I will deal with him. Stop! Okay, your time for life is over. See ya.
No!
I have rockets. You don't. He's down. Aw, pink car. No. Shut it down. Oh yeah, the repair bay.
No, I can't repair myself.
Don't worry, aren't you? Oh. Huh? What the?
Retreat!
Don't just stand there. You know we don't have repair, right? Oh, right. Kamikaze! Self-destruct. 3, 2, 1, 0. No! Spalls. Back to square one. Should go for the repair. It's just us now, Mr. Defender. Yes! Attack the headquarters! No, the rockets. Now it's you. No, Rangers. We had enough. Stop. Headquarters destroyed. But it's still not over. Oh, right. Who built that barrack? Yeah, it's me. And he produced me. Ow! Please can help. Oh. This time I know what to do. Self-destruct. What? No! 3, 2, 1, 0. Jump! Magic! No! This is our last shot. Yes. I want to go home. Shut up. You're going to meet the devil. See ya. Yes. What happened? Update? The self-destruct Batmobile. He self-destruct and exploded our repair tower. Without him, we can't repair anymore. Jeez. Very well. Let's finish. What happened to the blue car? Dead. Sweet. Now let's finish it. Yes. I'm dead. Yes! Rest in peace, repair tower. You are so useful. How can we do without you? It's so sad to see you go from this reality. May you be happy in afterlife, Mr. Repair.